Hello creatives! In this video, I'll share with you 10 work-from-home jobs without experience that you can start today and make some extra cash to meet your pressing needs. Working from home is cool for everyone. For stay-at-home moms, it's a smart way to make money for the kids during their free time. For students, it's an easy way to stay productive on school breaks. And for employees on a paycheck, it's the best way to improve their income and save up. So, regardless of what you do, getting a work-from-home job may be the smartest decision you'll ever make. Mind you, it's not just about the money, which understandably is a big motivation. There is also the element of being your own boss. In most work-from-home jobs, you decide when to work, how many hours to put in, and how much work to take. Even better, you get to save on transport and other inconveniences. Sadly though, the biggest put-off for most people is job experience, and this is where I come in. I'm going to give you the best work-from-home jobs you can do today as a beginner without any expertise. My favorite is number 1, and I've been doing the job for 5 years, and I don't think I'm going to stop anytime soon. But before then, if you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel to continue receiving great videos like this one. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get informed every time I publish a life-changing video. Here we go! Number 10. Earn from paid online surveys. If there is a job that even high school students can do, it has to be online surveys. All you need is a phone or computer and you can answer surveys at any time. My favorite survey site is Swagbucks because they offer a $5 welcome bonus for signing up and you can earn in multiple ways. Other than surveys, you can earn searching on the web, watching videos, shopping online, playing games, among many other online activities. Coincidentally, that's the case with my points. Another great survey site is Survey Junkie. They neither have a sign-up bonus or multiple ways to make money, but their surveys pay very well. Though most surveys pay $1 to $5, a few others pay as much as $50. Generally, if you've ever wanted to make money in bed or from your couch, sign up at a survey site. It's easy money for easy tasks. Number 9. Usability Testing. Website owners nowadays pay people to test the user experience of their sites and give honest reviews. That kind of job is what we call usability testing, and it also includes app testing. In most cases, you'll need to review the design, navigation, and quality of content. On average, you can make $10 an hour testing websites or mobile apps. The review can be in the form of an audio recording or short video. That means you have to express yourself well and be audible. My favorite site for usability testing is Userlytics because of their decent pay, but you can also try Userfeel or user testing. Number 8. Ride sharing. If you have a car, then you don't need to look for any other side hustle. Just list it on a ride-sharing platform like Uber or Lyft and get to make about $15 to $25 an hour. The two ride-sharing services have flexible terms and conditions, and you get to take charge of your work schedule. I particularly like Lyft because of the bonus they pay. When you complete the first 125 rides on Lyft, you can earn $1,000 extra, which is nothing but impressive. The bonus and the regular earnings combined with the client tips can buy you a new car in a short time. So, instead of keeping your car in the parking lot on the weekends, take it out and start making money ride-sharing. Number 7. Online proofreading. This is where you put your spelling prowess and excellent grammar into action. From bloggers to authors, they are all looking for someone to fix errors in documents. You may have to correct spellings, remove typos, or correct grammatical faults. Doing so can earn you up to $10 to $20 an hour on proofreading services, Upwork, and Textbroker. On those sites, you don't need work experience to get a proofreading job. What you do need, however, is a sharp eye for spelling slip-ups and good grammar. 6. Online data entry. Data entry jobs don't require so much thinking and are thus great for stay-at-home individuals. They are also easy to do and you don't need work experience. From copy-paste jobs to form filling, there are so many data entry jobs online. Provided you have some good typing skills and can read well, you should have an easy time doing data entry. I should tell you beforehand, however, that the pay is not the best. If compared to most online jobs in this video, data entry jobs pay the lowest. On average, you can pocket between $5 and $10 an hour on Clickworker, Axion Data, or Fiverr. Number 5. Online transcription. How about you make use of your excellent hearing skills and typing speed? I'm suggesting online transcription, where you type what you hear. So many people in the healthcare, banking, legal, and business sectors require the help of transcriptionists to convert audio into text. You may have to listen to phone call conversations, lectures, and interrogations. These jobs are trendy among at-home workers. Depending on the client and the complexity of the job, you can make $10 to $20 an hour. Some of the best places to do transcription without experience include TranscribeMe, QuickTate, Rev.com, and Scribby. Number 4. Online tutoring. You don't need teaching experience to teach online. So many people from non-English speaking nations are looking for native English speakers to teach them English as a second language, ESL. So, if you are an eloquent English native with a bachelor degree in any discipline, sign up for ESL tutoring jobs on Magic Ears, VIP Kid, or QKids. You can make $15 to $25 an hour there. Interestingly, ESL is not the only discipline that you can teach. Students need help with their homework and exam preparation on Tutor.com, TutorMe, and Chegg. So, you can also sign up at those sites as an academic tutor. What's more, you can teach foreign languages from home on GoFluent. Number 3. Remote customer service. So many companies are hiring remote customer service agents, and that makes these jobs an automatic choice for stay-at-home individuals. Note that these jobs may come with names like customer representative jobs or live chat jobs. You can find the latest remote customer service jobs on Amazon, LiveOps, Concentrix, Working Solutions, among many other places, and get to make $10 to $20 an hour. In most cases, you only need good telephone handling skills and should communicate clearly to work as a remote customer agent. Some companies may offer you headsets and other working equipment, but in others, you may have to buy them. Customer support jobs are great for part-time, but you can also work full-time if you prefer. Number 2. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is the most typical work-from-home job out there where people make a decent income. As a freelance writer, your job is to write content for clients, and they pay you. So, what you need is some excellent skills and to be creative. Depending on the client and the nature of the job, you can make $10 to $30 an hour, but still, a lot of freelance writing jobs pay per project. The most popular type of freelancing writing job is content writing, where you create web-tailored content like product reviews, blog posts, and news articles. However, you can also earn from home as a copywriter, freelance journalist, academic writer, or resume writer. Visit Upwork or Fiverr today for the best-paying freelance writing jobs. Number 1. Start a profitable blog. Do you remember me telling you that you should watch out for my number 1? This is what I was talking about. You don't need any experience to start a blog. Provided you can write anything exciting or eye-opening, you can be a blogger. There are many advantages that come with blogging, such as you can earn money from ad placements, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and even sell informational product through the blog. For example, through blogging, I'm able to make money through product recommendations, which is known as affiliate marketing and ad placement. This allows me to earn passive income, which means I still receive money from blog posts I wrote 2 years ago. Blogging does pay, contrary to what most people say. However, readers have to read your blog and posts online, and that means you have to leverage SEO to rank well on Google and use social media such as Pinterest to promote your work. I know guys who make up to $10K a month, something that's possible with excellent content. If you'd like to learn more about how you can start a profitable blog and make $1,000 a month, check the description below for a step-by-step guide for beginners. In conclusion, you can earn decently from home. All you have to do is find a job that suits you. The best part is that work experience is not always a requirement, as I've shown in the work from home jobs I've shared in this video. I know this video is exciting and you loved it. Check out this video about 10 easy ways to make $100 a day online in your spare time, and other life-changing resources in the description below. If you haven't subscribed yet,